Billy High, what up, man? It's your boy T-Dot. It's like early in the morning right now. Oh yeah, man, I just actually got in like an hour ago, you know. I'm in now, I'm still up. I thought I'd be going back to sleep, but yeah, still up. You know, updating the blog and stuff, and so thinking about a lot of stuff, you know, as far as like, you know, what I'm gonna do with my life, you know, stuff like that. Trying to establish some credit. It's real life stuff, man, you know what I'm saying? Outside of this, like, having fun and worrying about other things in the world. Just stuff like, just trying to get my life right, man, for real. Shout out to all the followers, man, for checking out the blog and stuff, man. I know I ain't been posting like I normally do, but, you know, a lot of stuff has been coming up. Really ain't had time, you know. I blog, but I'm no blogger, you know. I can't spend too much time on it. Like, I do have a life, you know, but yeah, man, thanks for checking it out anyway, though, you know. Shout out to X, shout out to LaParis, my team, man. I'm actually about to get up and fix me some breakfast, man. You know, good old-fashioned pancakes, eggs, bacon. And yeah, y'all need to holler at me, man. I need to get some like perceptions of fresh, you know what I'm saying, from the followers, man. Even if y'all at like in different locations across the US, man. Like make a video and just email it to me. That's Airmonty, AIRMONTY 24 at Yahoo. That'll be something real dope. You know what I'm saying? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Keep telling some more friends, and we're gonna get it popping, man. So I'm about to go make this breakfast, you know. I hit you up.